right now this is August 26th, 1 a.m. right now. I'm in the airport in Vietnam. I'm gonna transfer from here to Denpasar. Oh, thank you. I just got my food. I got full here because people said this is a must try when you come to Vietnam's airport. So when my Wi-Fi doesn't work for some reason, let me try this again. So it's gonna have this fall. Should be great. So it's currently 5:42 a.m. right now, and my flight is at 7 a.m. so I have to still wait a bit more. But I slept here. I slept in this bench chair from 2 to right now. No, maybe from 3. So I slept like, I guess like just 2 hours in total. 'Cause, yeah, it wasn't that much comfortable. I still feel not comfortable speaking in public. So I have to practice this, right? Because wherever I go, there should be people, and I still have to speak, so it's hard. Can I just get this almond white chocolate latte?
Anything else?
That's it. Thank you.
It's gonna be nice.
We just arrived here, and I got this latte, iced almond white chocolate latte, which I don't really drink, but I had a long flight and I wanted to try something sweet and cold. Also, I need to figure out how to get to Ubud, like this much, which seems like pretty expensive. I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty far from here. So I just got into my first hostel. It's not a hostel, it's called homestay here. Anyway, so we're here in Ubud, my luggage. I brought a bigger one this time because I have actually tons of clothing that I want to take here with me, including all this, a lot of workout wears here. I don't know if I'm gonna work out every single day, but I'm pretty sure at least 5 times. I want to go for CrossFit and yoga classes here. View outside is pretty good. It's calm and chill. And this is my bed. It's pretty big. And closet is something that I don't want to open. And this is a washroom. We have a small toilet and a shower here and a sink. Yeah, that's pretty much of it. And right now it's, oops, I don't have my Apple Watch. It is still being charged right now. So anyway, it's 4 p.m. right now here. So this is my favorite top that I usually wear when I go to travel, when I am abroad. This goes like this. And we had our jogger pants, do you see? And our Arc'teryx back here, which is so cute. And also my favorite flip-flops. I don't know if I have to call it flip-flops or sandals, but it goes like this. I got it from Havana like 3 years ago, and I still am liking it. Maybe let's take some selfie. This light is amazing here. Didn't do anything crazy, but I'm just walking around, and I was actually planning what to do tomorrow. I thought Ubud is not a good place to walk around. I mean, there are some places that I have to actually visit by scooter or car, so I thought I have to book a tour with a guide who can drive. Anyway, I'm on my way to have dinner. 27th August. It's 8 a.m. in the morning right now. I'm about to go downstairs and eat breakfast with... Oh, it was like this, okay. My outfit today, I'll show you later. But this one is the top from H&M, which is so cute and which is so Balinese. This is actually just a really thin layer of a clothing. It goes like this in the back. It's pretty cute, I guess. This was on sale, so got it for Bali, and I think it was a good decision. And I didn't do any makeup today as well. I was planning to do my makeup today because it's a Ubud tour day, so I might have a lot of photo shoots. So I was trying to, but I'm just too lazy to do this. So I'm just gonna go with my bare face with just my sunscreen on. I haven't really put anything on my body, but I guess for today we have to put some sun spray on it because we're gonna be on scooter all day. So, and this lip product I want you to try. This one I got it yesterday in the airport. My favorite brand these days is called Fenty Beauty, and they have actually really lots of some glowing products, including my highlighter and concealer. It's also good. They have a lot of shades. This time I got this Fenty Beauty's Fenty Glows Bomb Cream, and this is really a life-changing. Look at my lips. I literally love how it naturally makes my lips glowy, and also it's moisturizing. So I also got a bronzer from here, but I haven't really tried. Yeah, if there's any chance I can do makeup in here, I will try, but I don't think I'm gonna do any makeup in Bali. Anyway, let's go downstairs and eat breakfast. I thought there was just one.
They are mother and daughter. Yeah, they have complicated relationship.
I think the legs are important to just like hide, right?
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.
This is a lot for me.
It's kind of funny that the more we
Really?
pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to
Yeah,
leave you, but
there
now I'm
is a
seeing all the
difference.
signs.
Which one is better? I mean, this one has more flavor in it.
I can't believe it's true. Just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really
got back from my half Ubud tour with a guide. Yeah, I haven't really eaten anything. I want to eat something after my yoga class, so I'll just try a cafe here around. Actually looks, you know what? It looks like this when I walk with my camera, which makes me pretty shy. There are many dogs in the street. Right now it's 4:22 right now, and I am on my way to try my first yoga class in Ubud. This is the place called, forgot the name, Bali.01 Yoga Center, and I'm excited. Yeah, they have a class in 7 minutes, and I didn't really get any membership or anything there, but I'll just try to go there and ask them if I can drop in. Whew. Hope it's fine.
Class yoga
Yes.
for now.
Yeah, you have a class in 4:30, right? Yeah, I want to take